girls, welcome back to Core Knowledge. Yesterday with Ms. Bach, you guys learned about the continents and how they are landforms. You guys also learned about some of the oceans in the world, and I just want to really quickly review our continents. North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. Okay? So those are our 7 continents. Alright? And they're the biggest land masses on the planet Earth. Our quick little review. Our oceans are the big bodies of water, and they are smelly and salty and inhabited by lots of fish and whales and mammals of that kind, some sea turtles and things like that. And we learned about the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Arctic, the Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. Just as a quick little review. You guys discussed beaches and what an island is. We talked about, or Miss Bach talked about the lake and how a pond is much smaller. And those of you guys who got to read and learn about frogs know that frogs really enjoy ponds and places that are wet. Rivers, all different kinds of bodies of water. Okay. And then you guys completed this worksheet that Miss Bach went over with you guys. And today, we're going to focus a little bit more on North America. There are 2 video clips that I'd like you to watch. One of them is a song about the continents, and the other one is a video, YouTube, on all about North America. Okay? It is our 3rd biggest continent. It has 23 countries. And the most populated country is the United States of America. That's us, you guys. And there are 200 or about 200 different spoken languages just in North America. And this is what North America looks like right here. And these are all the different flags of North America. And can you see this flag right here? That's right. That's our flag. Okay? There are also lots of animals that are native to our continent, which include the monarch butterfly. We just learned about butterflies. The beaver, and the brown bear. Okay? Now I'm going to get us set up, and I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing with our paper, our North America little guy right here. Okay? So we're going to be coloring it orange and then gluing it in its spot on our big blue paper. And so you guys should all have the big blue paper. Okay? All right. Okay, so you should have your big blue paper. Everybody was given one of these. You should have your continents, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to take those continents apart, and we're going to look for the one that says North America. There it is, North America, and its color is orange. So I'm showing you a couple of options of orange. It can be a darker orange or a lighter orange. As long as it's orange, boys and girls, that's all you need to worry about. And you just pick one, and you're going to color it so nicely. See right here. And voila, just like magic, it's colored in. Now, the next step we need to do is cut it out. Now, if cutting out might be a little bit difficult for you, I suggest you just go around it like a circle. Just like this, so you can have your other pieces stay intact. Okay, and just move those off to the side for the next day. And then really focus and try your best, boys and girls. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have to be your best. Okay? So you just go in, and even right here, if that might be a little too tricky, you can always leave it like this, like that, and then just color that part blue. Okay? So we're cutting. Voila! I have it all cut out. I'm going to make sure that I collect my little scraps and make sure that I put them in the trash so that I'm being respectful of my house. Okay? Now the next thing we need to do is figure out where we're going to glue it at. Okay? So you can use your white glue or your glue stick, whatever you guys have at home. Okay? And we're going to glue it over here. I'm going to use the back. Let me give it a nice coat of glue. And remember, boys and girls, when you do use your glue stick, you only need to put it out a little bit, just like that, and then you tuck it back in, okay? And I'm going to cap my glue so that it stays wet. I'm going to pick my piece up, and I'm going to put it in the corner, like so. Okay? And I'm going to pat it down and make sure that it stays. Oh, I noticed that I didn't put glue right there, so I'm going to go ahead and stick the glue right there and give it a little bit. And voila. Okay? I have started making my own map. Okay? So that's what you're going to do for your activity today. I do have a few more questions that I'm going to ask you that I want you to discuss with your parents when I get in front of the board again. Okay, I'm back. We just completed our map for today, and I wanted to talk to you. I wanted to show you this one more time and say North America is the third biggest continent. We have 23 countries. The most populated country is the United States. That's us. And we have about 200 spoken languages just in North America. We have the brown bear that's native. We have the American beaver that's native. And the monarch butterfly that's native to North America. So quick little review. Make sure if you haven't already, before you answer these questions, you need to watch your video that I have linked on the email. Okay? So your comprehension questions that you need to answer to your parents or your big sister or big brother, whoever's at home helping you. What was the name of the continent we learned about? Okay? So what was the name of it? How many countries are on this continent? What kind of animals live on this continent? And do we live on this continent? So think about those questions. Go over those questions at home. And boys and girls, remember, as always, I love you.